Welcome back everyone to another Tech from Home video. Today we're going to explore a very popular navigation app from Google. And yes, you've guessed it, it's Google Maps. I already have it downloaded here, so we're just gonna go and jump right in. So when you open Google Maps, the first thing you're gonna see is your location. Google loves to track where we're going at all times, and it already has us tracked. So there we are. I'm moving apparently, and you can kind of see your surrounding area. So here's the Walmart, here are the apartments up here, Dairy Queen, and we're at the library. So Google knows I'm at the library. That's okay. So we're gonna just go through a couple of little features on Google Maps, and let's go ahead and get started. So on your top right, you'll see a little circle with some squares and a bottom square. That's our layers tab. So you can see different types of maps, different map details you want to see. So right now I'm on satellite. If I go to default, it's just going to show me the area like an old-fashioned kind of map would look. If I go back, terrain, it'll show me any mountains in the area, which we don't have any. I'll go back to satellite. And on the bottom of that, where it says map details, tells you any transit, any public transit stops. You can also add traffic. The traffic one's very interesting because it shows you where free-flowing traffic is in the green areas, some medium traffic is in the orange area, and where the heavy traffic is in the red areas. So if you're visiting a big city, you can always check out the traffic ahead of time to see what it looks like before you head into the rough patch of the highways. So let's go to your left-hand side over here, top left, where it says search here, and here's your search bar. So we're just gonna search the Palm View Library, which I already have here. So I'll go ahead and type it in anyway. Palm View Library. There we go. And it shows us, there it goes, it shows us a satellite view of it. On the top left, you see some pictures. So if you want to see what it looks like outside before you actually visit, there it is, the Palm View Library and Community Center. So when you're on Street View, you gotta follow this little blue line because that's what Google wants us to do. So we'll do that. And here we are. Here's the entrance of the Palm View Library and Community Center. So if you're wondering what it looks like before you get there, or maybe you're standing outside or sitting in your car outside in the parking lot, you're not sure that you're at the right place, go ahead and use Google Maps Street View feature and make sure you're at the right place. Confirm. So it gives us some information, gives us some directions, the operating hours, the phone number, the website. It even tells you when it's busiest. So Saturdays, usually not busy. And then you can scroll to see different days, whether they're busy or not. It even gives you some reviews down here. Some photos. So that's the Palm View Library. Back to the overview, it gives us directions. So when you click on directions, it'll automatically start from your current location, which we saw Google is already tracking us. It gives us different ways to get there. So it gives us directions for driving, 13 minutes, for walking, 1 hour and 40, and for biking, 27 minutes. And it gives us different options of routes. So if I want the longer route, I can click on that one, the shorter one right here, and another alternate route over there. And once you click start,
head south toward West Nolania Avenue.
It starts your directions. Another feature that I want to show on Google Maps is if you're searching for maybe like a coffee shop or a restaurant It gives you a lot of details whether they deliver or they do curbside or they do dine in. So I'm gonna go ahead and click coffee. Coffee shops, coffee zone. So I'll just click coffee shop. So now it's gonna give me any coffee shop within an area here. And you can see that a couple of these places do not have dine-in and do not deliver. Some do deliver, some take out, and it gives you their hours. Yeah, during these times where a lot of people want to do just curbside or maybe takeout or delivery, Google Maps tells us which areas or which restaurants do takeout and delivery, contactless kind of thing. So there's pizza. It also gives us the options. It tells us no dine-in on this Domino's. They do takeout and delivery. No dine-in at Pizza Patron. Domino's, pretty much all the same thing. As I scroll down here. Last one I'll just do sandwich. So here are the places that do dine-in, takeout, and delivery that sell sandwiches. So this is a really helpful app when you can't decide on lunch or dinner, or you just want to see what types of restaurants in your area. Maybe you're visiting another area and you want to see what's around you that has some delivery options. So that's kind of just a quick overview of Google Maps, a couple of cool little options that Google Maps offers. Let us know what you want to see next time on Tech from Home. Make sure you like and subscribe our YouTube page. Like us on Facebook at MPL Adults. On YouTube, just search McAllen Library. And we'll go ahead and see you all next time. Have a good rest of your day.